Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, January 23rd. Finally, is happening. Nasdaq is breaking the line in the sand, and the S&Ps are finally pushing higher, breaking this trend line, descending resistance that we've been following throughout all 2022, and now we are breaking out. We have to be patient because we already did that on the S&Ps on 13th of December, and we got rejected pretty hard. So let's be patient, but this is looking good. As I was saying on my Thursday and Fridays videos, if you didn't see them, please check them out. I was super confident about this due to the higher lows down here and the coiling pattern against this descending resistance. So the technical analysis was in my favor, and also the economic data that we've been getting since the last weeks that point towards a slow in the economy, a slow in the sales, retail sales, home sector, and inflation. The last thing that we need to see is PCE, personal consumer spending, on this Friday. That's going to be huge because Fed's preferred way of measuring the inflation is through the PCE instead of the CPI. But PCE is super important. Check out and watch out for that. And also be careful with energy. But as long as energy remains in this kind of range below 83, everything should be fine. So economy is slowing down and we are breaking critical levels. Let's start with the Nasdaq. Look at this 5 minute. This is unbelievable. Congratulations, bulls, because you are pushing the Nasdaq to new highs. We are breaking this pivot. We broke this pivot and we are now reaching this big rejection day and now pushing. If we hold these levels, 11,900 or even 800, we just don't want to see this kind of things. We don't want to see these topping tails. We want to just, if we finish strong, that will be even better, but just hold these levels, please. We need to see strength and continuation to the upside. So why is this market pushing up? Apart from the economic data that we've been getting, the technical pattern, the technical breakout against this beautiful descending resistance that we got, what is strong? What is moving and pushing the markets? Well, apart from the Nasdaq, look at semiconductors. Semiconductors, SMH, are pushing higher. Since the start of the year, semiconductors have pushed, this is 3rd of January, they've pushed 14%. And it's not only semiconductors. Let's talk about commodities. Silver, let me check, let me show you, because silver futures are holding these levels. Platinum futures are holding these levels, and AMD and Nvidia are just shooting up. The tech stocks, and more than that, the companies that build chips, blue chips companies inside the Nasdaq, are flying and are pushing. Also Tesla 5.40%, 5.40% Tesla, Nvidia 6.11%, and AMD is 8% in the green, gapping up super strong. So that is what's pushing the markets. I think a lot of people in 2023, apart from buying earnings now on the tech stocks, I think a lot of people are starting to move towards chips due to the shortage in the minerals and the platinum, silver, copper, and also lithium. If we check the lithium futures, let me check, that's lithium futures. Okay, I don't have the data, but I think a lot of people are starting to move towards these kind of blue chips companies apart from the Nasdaq. And look at this, the Nasdaq is completely green, 2.70 in the green, and the S&P is 1.40. Apple, super strong. Microsoft, Tesla, it's moving the market. Look at this gap up that we got since Friday, pushing higher. And Nvidia, as I was mentioning, Nvidia and AMD leading the pack, super strong, 5 and 8% respectively. So congratulations, bulls, because this is one of the days that you can just buy every pullback and just ride the momentum to the upside. We are starting to see this kind of pullback, but I hope that we don't end up giving up all the gains today and just holding these levels. We need Nasdaq to keep these levels in order for the technical pattern to remain stable and to remain valid. I'm super happy because I'm seeing continuation on Friday. And remember that if we check the economic data for this week, let's check. Today we didn't have we didn't have anything. Tomorrow is just services PMI and composite. We are expecting at least stable, not higher, but maybe lower manufacturing PMI. On Wednesday, we have crude oil and stock exchange. And on Thursday, we have GDP. And Fridays, as I was mentioning earlier, we have PCE. That's the super important day, Friday. But until then, we are just seeing Nasdaq flying and pushing towards new levels that we didn't see since early December. So congratulations, bulls. Log your profits, and I think we just have to hold levels to don't see these kind of things. The worst thing that can happen is just Nasdaq giving up all gains at the end of the day. So let's hope for that and to remain strong as we've been seeing throughout the day. So as always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time. Remember, the trading day is not over. I recommend you just log your profits. This was a nice day. The trading day is not over yet. You can keep trading, but remember to log in your profits and don't be greedy. Discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.